Today we're baking gorditas.
From scratch. For this recipe, we'll be needing 500 grams of flour, 150 grams of sugar, 20 grams of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 250 milliliters of milk, and 100 grams of lard. Our first step is to mix the lard and the sugar together.
So in order to do this properly, you have to make sure that the sugar dissolves into the lard. So we're just going to use our hands, but if you want to use your mixer, that's perfectly okay too. So once you've got it all fluffed, which is very important because this is what's going to be giving the gordita the softness, just mix your flour, your baking powder, and the pinch of salt you have. So now we're going to slowly incorporate the flour into the lard sugar mixture.
And now we're going to add the milk to the flour.
So to make it easier, we're just going to split the dough into two so we can roll it out on a smaller surface.
Now we're going to cut out the circles and we're going to use the top of a lid. It's just shown here. And while you're cutting out the holes for these, you're going to want to turn on your griddle to medium-high heat. And all the excess dough, you just want to clump it back up and roll it down again. That's how you make gorditas.
They're a great snack and they're very simple to make. My grandma makes them all the time for us, so now that we can't visit her, it's nice to have a way to remember her.
That's all for today. We'll see you next time.
Tú te las vas a comer estas. I don't care, put them in there.